Hi friends, welcome to a very important PYQ analysis video. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to do PYQ analysis, how you can connect the PYQs to current affairs and can predict question in the future coming examination. Guys, in today's video, at the end of this, I am going to give you two questions which can come in the prelims examination connecting the current affairs and two PYQs which I am going to discuss today. Guys, when I say students must do PYQ analysis, most of the students what they do is that they just solve the question, they get the answer and they think that that is what is PYQ analysis. That is not the PYQ analysis. Getting the answer of a PYQ is not PYQ analysis. What you have to do is that you have to analyze the trend in the UPSC paper and you have to connect to the current affairs so that you can predict the questions which can come in the future. So today I am going to show you. So this is a question which has come in the prelims 2022. This has question which has come in the prelims 2022. So guys, you can see both of the question is on the tea, one agri commodity. One question says with reference to tea board in India and second question says with reference to tea producing states in India. So guys, if you see in tea board, they have focused on which ministry the tea board is located. So this is located in the commerce ministry. So this statement was incorrect. And where is the head office situated for the tea board? So this is situated in Kolkata. It is not situated in Bengaluru. So this statement was also incorrect. So the answer was 1 and 4. Similarly, you can see here the focus was on tea producing state. So this is not going to again repeat in the UPSC examination. What is going to come is that we have to relate to the current affairs, the PYQ. So guys, this year on 4th of October 2023, Government of India notified National Turmeric Board. Government of India notified National Turmeric Board. So you can see here when you read this PIB notification, you will come to know that this National Turmeric Board is also located in the Ministry of Commerce. In the Ministry of Commerce, and the headquarter of the National Turmeric Board is in the Telangana, Nizamabad. And further some details about the turmeric crop is given that India is the largest producer, largest consumer and largest exporter of the turmeric in the world, and the states which are the largest producers of turmeric are Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. You can see the previous two PYQs which were there on tea, it came in the same year 2022, and you can see two questions can be framed on this topic of turmeric board. One question can be on turmeric board. Where is the turmeric board located in India? So it is located in Telangana, Nizamabad, and they can ask you where is the ministry, in which ministry this is located. This is located in Department of Commerce. And further they can ask you on the turmeric crop, is India the largest producer, is India the largest consumer, is India the largest exporter, and which are the states which are the largest producer of turmeric? It is Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. You can see how we related one PYQ which came on tea and how we relate to another current affairs which is the National Turmeric Board, which is a new board which has been created. We will not stop here. Then what we will do, we will visit the Department of Commerce, will visit the Department of Commerce and there we will prepare all the other statutory boards, all the other statutory agriculture boards. For example, the coffee board which was created under the Coffee Act 1942 and is headquartered in Bangalore, Karnataka. Then the tea board which was created under the Tea Act 1953 and is headquartered in Kolkata, West Bengal. You see how they changed the tea board with coffee board, how they changed the tea board with coffee board in that question which came in the prelims 2022. Then you can see rubber board which is in Kottayam and under created the Rubber Act 1947, the spice board which is created under the Spice Board 1986 which is in Kochi, Kerala, and the tobacco board which was created under Tobacco Board Act 1975 and which is in Guntur, Andhra Pradesh, So they can create this question and they can ask you what? Okay, match the pairs. They can ask you match the pairs, or they can ask you which was created the first and which was created the last. So this is okay. So this is how you have to do the PYQ analysis. Most of the guys, what they think, just they have solved the PYQ and that is the analysis. No guys, questions in PYQ are not going to get repeated. You have to then start the analysis. What further can come from this and how we can connect the current affairs and get to know the important topics. So guys, if you really learned something new from this video, please do like and share with your friends. And if you have not learned anything new from this video, you are free to unsubscribe my channel and invest your time somewhere else. But guys, I am telling you, last year I was able to predict at least 50 questions in the prelims examination, and this year also guys I will try my level best to predict as many questions, and I will help you to optimize your effort. Guys, the idea is how can I help you optimize your effort. A lot of students, they waste which is not important for the exam. I am going to channelize your effort. I am going to let you know which are the important themes, which are the important topics. I am going to relate it to the PYQs. I am going to analyze. Guys, I have an experience of cracking 6 prelims and I can tell you that I can help you crack the prelims examination. Guys, you can also follow my lecture series. In lecture series, I give you various kinds of tests: NCERT test, advanced test, monthly current affairs test, and the most important question series, which is the most important. Guys, one more thing is that I am giving you free CSAT mentorship in the lecture series. Along with that, I am teaching you all the option elimination tricks, and also I will be telling you the important themes which you can prepare along with the daily targets. So thank you guys. Please do consider liking this video and sharing this video with more and more number of students, because guys, the idea is to help you crack the prelims in one go. Thank you. Bye bye.